Over the years, I've hired freelancers, agencies, and virtual assistants across dozens of roles. And time after time, the people I've found in the Philippines have been my best hires. They're reliable, skilled, loyal, and incredibly cost-effective. But let's face it, searching and recruiting good talent takes a ton of time away from running your business. I'm Jeff Cudd, founder of Don't Do It Yourself. People call us DDIY for short. We've built a smarter way to hire great Filipino virtual assistants. Let me show you how it works. Most business owners trying to hire a virtual assistant get stuck in one of two traps. You either post a job on a job board and waste hours sorting through applications, wondering who's legit, who's reliable, and who just copy-pasted the resume. Or you hire through an agency and end up paying inflated rates for someone you didn't choose with no direct access or control. We're different. We find and vet top-tier talent from the Philippines and deliver 3 options that fit your role, tools, and workflow. And here's the kicker. There's no markup. You choose, hire, and pay your virtual assistant directly and keep complete control from day one. Here's how it works. Step 1, tell us what kind of help you need. Whether you need general support like admin tasks, customer service, and operations, or specialized help with things like scraping leads from LinkedIn, formatting blog posts for SEO, coordinating real estate showings, or repurposing video content. Step 2, we search and screen. Our team taps our vetted talent network and shortlists only the best matches. We handle identity and background checks, communication skills, professionalism, and reliability. What you get? Within a few days, we deliver 3 fully vetted candidates that you can interview, all handpicked to match your budget, tools, and business needs. You get the results of hours of sourcing, screening for a one-time flat fee, less than the cost of one bad hire. And you get a long-term team member ready to start right away. No job boards, no contracts, no agency markups. It saves you weeks of effort, and you only see candidates who've already done the work. It's hiring without the guesswork. Ready to get started? If you're tired of sorting through resumes and just want the right person in place, let us help match you with the best virtual assistant for you.